It's the cat daddy. It's the cat daddy. It's the cat daddy. Cat daddy picking up his keys once again. Right here on this episode, you get to see behind the scenes of our weekend. We go from Ganny's crib, playing with a remote control Tiger, and then we hit the road with the Goodwill Travelers RV Club, fishing Savage Style at Lake Tyler. Savage Style Fishing 2021. Cat Daddy in the building, baby.
What's up, YouTube channel? Dad, this fish is paralyzed. Yeah, it's definitely paralyzed. I gotta go stop Cree from messing with those fish. Cree, stop. No, there's a fish in there. I know.
His own person. He be on his own little go.
No one's fish over there again.
Look over there.
This is talking cat daddy.
Okay. Sweet. Good job, player. How come you like fishing, Cree? You don't know?
I just like it.
Yeah? Who taught you how to fish?
Cat daddy.
Who's Cat Daddy?
My dad.
Pretty fish, huh?
Can I touch it?
It's be a lot prettier if it's a lot bigger.
Bigger, yeah.
That way you won't kill it.
So he's still alive right now?
On the middle right there.
Where do you want to put him?
big enough. Let me on the camera, son. Yeah.
I don't be charging no fly.
What you doing, nephew?
Style fishing.
Oh, Southside fishing. What's up? I'm finally out here for the first time. I'm gonna catch something. My nephew gonna teach me.
Doing it again. Goodwill Travel.
Yes, sir.
That's what we do.
Yes, sir. We do hooked up.
We get together, we have a good time, we fellowship, we fish, we talk noise, tell a few stories. I ain't gonna say lies, we tell a few stories. We have a good time.
Yeah.
Come and join us.
Yeah.